Hey everyone, welcome back to getassist.net, and in today's video I'm going to share one feature of Facebook Messenger that I recently discovered. Just like emojis, you can also send sound emojis on Facebook Messenger. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. To send the sound emojis on Facebook Messenger, you have to open the Messenger app, and then you have to open the chat to whom you want to send the sound emoji, and then you have to tap the emoji icon at the bottom of the screen. Here you will see the regular emojis, but you will also see this sound icon at the corner of the screen, so you have to press that. And if you will scroll this up, you will see all the emojis that have their own sounds. Alright, so you can play all these emojis to check what is their sound, and then you can send it to the person. Alright, so here I'm gonna select this one, and then you can listen to the voice, and then you can press send. So that's how you can send sound emojis on Facebook Messenger. So yeah, that was all for this video. For any doubts or queries, you can reach out to the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative and useful videos. With that, I will take the leave now. We'll see you the next time.